Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPG version of the two-pillow mockup in Pixlr. First, go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then click on this Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button, and then click Open Image. And then find the mockup and click Open. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply. Now to add your design, you just want to click this square icon with the diagonal lines that says Add Element when you hover over it, and then click Add Media. And then find your design. It may be a little bit big, so then size it down by clicking and dragging the corner. And when you've got it sized about right, you can click and drag the design into place. You'll notice it has a white background behind it. To fix that, we're just going to click on the design in the Layers panel, and then click the three-dot icon and change the blend mode from None to Multiply. And that'll get rid of the white background. And then you may want to duplicate the layer. To do that, just click the plus sign at the bottom of the layer menu, and then click and drag this second design into place. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPG version of the two-pillow mockup in Pixlr. Now you just need to save it, so click the Save button at the bottom. And if you're going to use this online on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPG. So select JPG. I change the quality to 100, leave it on high, and then click Save As, and save it wherever you want on your computer. And if you wanted a native Pixlr document, you could always come back here and click Save Again, and then select PXC. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.